Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've been doing some DIY to save some money. I've been painting my kitchen and I've done it in colour zones. I've done this wall here behind the radiator and behind the fridge and behind the microwave and over the cooker in Egyptian cotton because my bathroom is in Egyptian cotton, so it ties the rooms together. I've done 2 coats on there, so that's done for now. And over in this corner, I've painted everything dark blue because the room from here, the back room, is in dark blue as well, so it ties those 2 rooms together. So it's making like a cosy little nook. I've painted the tongue and groove. I put this in about 4 years ago on dado rail, and I've taken the paint up to the ceiling. So it's like a little cosy nook. I've got a smaller table. I used to have this big oak table there that took it filled the rice up into the corner, but you have to sort of shuffle past. So I've got this smaller pine table that I paid £30 for, which came with 3 chairs and free delivery. So I've left it on the floor. I've just put the legs on so you can see the tongue and groove better. And when I get round to it, I'm going to build a banquette, a little bench, because there's the room to do it now, because it's not all filled up with table. So yeah, I'll do another coat tomorrow because my hands are tired now. But I do like the blue. It looks really cosy and it'll go on, match on from the other room. And once I've got this table in situ, I'm going to strip the top of the varnish so it's down to its natural wood, so it looks more cottagey. We used to have a door here when we first moved in, and we got a window put in, so we were able to make room for a table and chairs. And then the back room, the window got turned into a door, so there is an exit out into the back. So I've spent longer cleaning the floor because there was a rug there. It was dusty and messy, and then I had to wipe all the walls down and everything. So it took all day because I had to like clean everything, let it dry, and then start painting. So, and then moving the table wasn't easy. I had to take the legs off and move the table. So that was like a chore and a half. And then I've just put the legs on in here. So my hands are really tired. So I might get back to it tomorrow, or I might have a day off tomorrow and then go back to it after that. But I think the tongue and groove is going to look lovely with its second coat on. And the Egyptian cotton looks nice, light and bright, and it will tie in with the bathroom. On this little corner coming off the back room, I've left white because it's a really dark corner. So I just think leaving the door and the walls painted white, it's just a little bit brighter. So do you do DIY to save money as well? Let me know in the comments below, and if you could possibly please like, share and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.